Hi, and welcome to freenetworkstudy.com. Today we'll be configuring Dynamic NAT with the following requirements. The first requirement you don't have to pay attention to is just an access list we've created to make sure that you can't ping the server if you haven't succeeded in configuring Dynamic NAT. So enable the following NAT pool. So that's 65.13.2.10 all the way to .20, and then configure NAT so that your internal addresses are translated to an address of that pool. Alright, so let's start as usual by checking host 1. Can we ping the gateway? Yes. Can we ping the server? No, we can't. Okay, let's go on the router and configure it. First step when configuring Dynamic NAT is to identify which traffic will be NATed. Let's take access list 101. Access list 101 permit, since this is traffic that has to be matched. IP, and we said that the IP addresses were the internal IP addresses were 10.1.1.0/24, so with a wildcard mask of 0.0.0.255, and that's going to any. Next step is to define the NAT pool. We do that with the IP NAT pool command. We have to name the NAT pool. Just call it global. The first IP of that pool would be 65.13.2.10. The last IP would be 65.13.2.20. And the mask is 255.255.255.0. So this is a net mask, not a wildcard mask. Alright. Okay, now we have to bind everything together with the IP NAT inside source command, and we have to specify which traffic is to be matched. So that was traffic matched by ACL 101. Now we have to configure which pool will be used. So that was pool global, and that's it. Now we have to go to the interfaces and apply this NAT configuration. So let's start with the inside interface. That was interface fast Ethernet 0/0, and since that's the inside interface, we type IP NAT inside. Now to the outside interface, interface fast Ethernet 1/0, IP NAT outside. And that's it. Let's check our configuration. Let's see if host 1 can ping the server. That's successful. Let's go back to the router and check the translations, IP NAT translations. And here we see that host 1 IP address 10.1.1.1 was translated to 65.13.2.10. That's it. Thank you for watching.